everyone, guys, today we are gonna make that famous 1-minute cookie in the microwave. Here are my ingredients. I got the flour, the melted butter, the milk, chocolate chips that I chopped from a chocolate bar, and the brown sugar, baking soda. One and 3/4 tablespoon of sugar, three-fourth tablespoon of milk, okay, 1/3 cup plus 1/2 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Pour in our chocolate chips. Swirling up. You can put more if you want. I like more because it also decorates the cookie. Let's form this into a ball. Alright guys, let's form this into a ball, just like this, and let's flatten it a little bit so it'll look more like a real cookie. put this on a parchment paper just like this. I'm still forming. I'm not happy with the shape. And we'll pop this baby in a microwave for 1 minute and 15 seconds maybe. And there you have it, your cookie, and in the microwave. I hope you're gonna be okay there. And it says 1 minute. 1 minute. Let's try 1 minute first. And don't touch it because it's still so soft. So we'll wait for this to cool down. And let's see how nice this cookie is gonna be. Hello, Mama. We'll cool this down. So beautiful, this cookie. Couldn't believe it's that 1 minute microwave cookie. We'll just really wait for this to cool down, and I guess Denver has one cookie today. One big one. He'll say big one, Mama. Yes, big one cookie.